Hey, what's up you guys? Thanks for tuning in with me again. Today, we're going to be learning how to draw the Lewis dot structure for ammonium. First off, I'm going to start by giving you guys what ammonium is. Ammonium, NH4+. Now that we know what ammonium is, we start off by counting the number of valence electrons. We find the number of valence electrons by turning to our periodic table of elements, which lets us know that nitrogen has 5 valence electrons. We know this by the period which nitrogen belongs to. Next, we turn our attention to hydrogen, which, using our periodic table of elements again, we find out has 1 valence electron. However, there are 4 nitrogens in ammonium, which is something that needs to be taken into account. Now, we add the number of valence electrons from nitrogen to the number of valence electrons from hydrogen, which we know has 4. However, if we look to the top corner, we see that there is a plus sign, which means that there is 1 less valence electron. So in other words, we're taking away 1 valence electrons, which gives us a grand total of 8 valence electrons. We are now ready to start drawing our Lewis dot structure. Okay, now, we start off with the least occurrent element, which in this case is nitrogen. So, writing nitrogen in the middle, we know that we have to have 8 valence electrons for it to have the octet rule and to be content. So, we have 8 valence electrons right here. We put 2 electrons on top and 2 on each side, all around. However, we know that we have 4 hydrogens which have to go around. So we draw the hydrogens all around nitrogen. Do we leave it like this? No. The next step is to change these dots or electrons into dashes. The dashes are the bonds that are forming between nitrogen and hydrogen. So we rewrite it, nitrogen in the middle again, and hydrogen all around it. Now, I'm going to move this up so I have more space. The last step is looking back at our positive on the corner. We must keep that in mind. So we put brackets all around this Lewis dot structure, and we remember to put a plus on the top right corner. And this is the final product for our Lewis dot structure program. Thank you guys again, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video.